Hello, my name is Peter, and today we'll be covering the tool called Slideshow in your CMS tool. Now, to access that, you just go under the CMS tab and select Slideshows. Now, currently, these are the two slideshows that are displayed on your website. Now, to add one, all you need to do is click on Add Slideshow. Okay, and then you have two options. You can add a fresh slideshow or a slide to your slideshow section on your website, or you can select one from a promotion that's currently on your website. But in this training session, I'll add a fresh slide to your slideshow. Now, in your content section, now to retrieve your image, you just click on the plus sign next to image. And there's two ways to add an image. You can add an image straight from a URL of an image that already exists on the website or anywhere on the web, or select an image straight from your computer. In this case, we'll use an image straight from your computer. So you select image from computer, and then you go get your image. So let's say we want an automobile. Since this is a Hyundai website, let's go get a Hyundai Elantra. And then at this point, this is your slideshow dimensions. And you can modify or select exactly which part of the image you want to use in your slideshow.
I have a question.
Yes.
So when you're uploading an image, is there a minimum or maximum size that I need to upload in order for this to work properly?
There's no minimum or maximum, but the bigger size image or bigger image size, the better it is, depending on what your slideshow dimensions are. If you take a very small image, it will keep the ratios, but it may stretch it on your website. So the bigger image, the better it is.
Okay, so like an original image that somebody took, like an actual picture.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. So once you selected the area that you want to use in your slideshow, you just click on Save. And this is the image that you'll be using. You can also copy it to your French site if you have a bilingual website. Now your title, this is the title of your slideshow image. So let's say Hyundai Elantra 2013. Your title is mandatory, so that's something you have to fill in. After that, your subtitle is optional. So you can put in a subtitle if you wanted to. Let's say and then you can create your own call to action button as well. Now your call to action button is a button that's clickable on your website, therefore in your carousel or your slideshow, and then it redirects the client to a form that the client must fill out. So in this case, if I click on the scroll down menu, there are three predefined call to action buttons. One is called Learn More, Request an Internet Price, and Book a Test Drive. If you want to create your own, you can just create your own call to action button and just fill in the blank of what you want the call to action button to be named. Let's say,
like book an appointment or something like that?
Yeah. Let's use that one.
Okay.
Book an appointment. And that's exactly what will appear on your slideshow. Now, under URL, this is the URL that redirects the client wherever you want to, which means that your image is now clickable once you put in this URL. So as an example, I will go to your website, select New Vehicles, and select the Hyundai Elantra. Let's say this is where you want to send the client once he clicks on that image or a carousel image. So you have the image here and different options for the vehicle itself. So this is a very important page for that vehicle or for that slideshow image. So all you need now is the URL of this page. So you just copy the full URL, go back to your CMS tool, and just simply paste it into where it says URL. At this point, your image is now clickable. If I scroll down further, you have your layout. So you can actually select a predefined layout of how you want it to be displayed on your website. So here you have your content below, above, to the left, or to the right. Okay, let's say we want to put it on the right-hand side. So now we selected the specific layout of how your carousel image will show up on your website. Now if I scroll down further, now your publish date, you can actually publish it immediately or select a specific period that you want it to be displayed on your site. So your publishing date and your expiration date. So if you click on edit and just click on the calendar, you can simply select a day that that carousel image or slideshow image will be displayed on your site. So in this case, we'll select the 1st and then select, let's say, 9 a.m. in the morning. So it's on right now. And then your expiration date, you want to edit and select, let's say, the 31st, which is the end of this. It could be an ad that you're displaying on your front page, and then have it display until 9 p.m. at night. And then you're ready to publish it. Well, right now here, it confirms your slideshow that it has been successfully published. And now to go see it on the website, you just go to your website, click on the home button, and then now we have 3 carousel images. Since it was the last one in that order, you just click on the last one, and this is your carousel or slideshow image.
Okay.
With your call to action button.
Does the slideshow rotate by itself?
That has to be requested at the beginning of the website creation, which can be modified anytime thereafter. By default, it will not rotate, but if it's asked for it, it will rotate automatically.
Okay. Can we change the order of the slides?
Yes, you can. If I go back to the slideshow section, and then you have a reorder your slides right here. So if you click on this, and then just click, and then reorder it the way you want it. So let's say if you want the green one to be the last one shown, save the order. And then if I go back to your website, as you can see here, you get that confirmation. The order has been saved. If I go back to the website, click on home. Now your first image is the red one.
Okay.
The silver, and then the green. Any other questions?
No, I think I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good as well.
Okay. Now, if ever you have any questions, you can give me a call directly. You can call me at 1-888-474-2886, extension 240. And once again, my name is Peter, and I bid you all a great day.
Thanks very much, Peter.